6.6 was explained?
Recorded.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay.
6.5 was
No, ma'am.
completed. 6.6 was left.
Sure.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, beta. Chalo. Now, in activity 6.6, what you are supposed to do is I'm starting to explain and then I'll let you guys read, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, in this activity, what you are supposed to do, you need to take a magnesium ribbon. Magnesium is an element, okay? It is an element found in the periodic table. What do we do with that? We take a magnesium strip or a magnesium ribbon and then rub it with the sandpaper. We rub the magnesium ribbon with the sandpaper. Then we bring the tip near the candle flame and it starts burning with a brilliant white light. Just as seen in the figure. Can you see it in the figure? How is it burning? It burns with a brilliant white light. Okay. Why does that happen so? And when it is completely burnt, जब वो पूरा जल जाएगा, when it is completely burnt, it will leave behind the powdery ash. It is going to leave behind the ashes, and ashes are not going to look like the magnesium ribbon. Understood? If suppose I'm saying suppose, okay, if the magnesium ribbon is of red color, for example, the magnesium ribbon is of red color, okay, and when it is completely burnt, it is going to turn, the ashes will not be of the same color, it will be of different color. The ashes would be of different color, if you can see here, okay. So, does the ash look like the magnesium ribbon? No, the ashes won't look like the magnesium ribbon. The change can be represented by the following equation. What is going to happen here? Magnesium ribbon, which we took, is Mg. The formula of magnesium is Mg. It is going to react with oxygen, which is present in atmosphere. Okay, it is going to react with oxygen which is present in atmosphere, and it is going to form magnesium oxide. What is it going to form? Magnesium oxide. Is it correct, everybody? That's why the
Yes.
color of the ashes are different. Understood? What is happening? I am explaining you once again. Magnesium reacts with oxygen to form magnesium oxide. Here the color of magnesium is different. The color of magnesium is maybe this, and the ashes, the color of the ashes will be different. After the magnesium ribbon burns completely, the color of the ashes will be completely different. Understood, everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
Because of this reaction, because magnesium will react with oxygen to form magnesium oxide. If you want, you can take the screenshot of this, or otherwise it's okay. Now what you need to do is the ash which we collected here, we need to dissolve these ashes in water. These are ashes and we need to put this ashes in water. Now what will it form? The ashes are of MgO, correct? And water's formula is H2O. So this solution is going to form MgOH twice, magnesium hydroxide. And then if we test the solution with the litmus paper, do you know what is litmus paper? Yes or no? Do you know what is litmus paper? Can somebody answer me? What is litmus paper? Is anybody present?
Ma'am, don't know.
You do not know what is litmus paper? Then tell me that you don't know. I will explain you, beta. Okay, litmus paper are of two types, alright? First, there is red litmus paper, and then there is blue litmus paper, okay? What are these used for? We're talking about litmus paper right now. Acid base, do you know what is acid and base? Acid base पता है बेटा? हाँ या ना बोल दो. Acids are substances which are sour in taste. First, let's do that. Acids are substances which are sour in taste. Okay, खट्टे होते हैं taste में. Base are substances which are bitter in taste. Okay, understood? Acids are substances that are sour in taste. Here, for example, lemon juice. और यहाँ bitter in taste का example ले तो baking soda.
Ma'am, bitter
Understood?
means,
हाँ?
can you speak in Hindi? Bitter taste means,
Okay, you want me to explain this in Hindi?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, we are talking about two substances right now. हम दो substances के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं. एक का नाम है acid, एक को acid बोलते हैं, दूसरे को base बोलते हैं. You know what is acid, right?
yes, ma'am.
Acid पता है कि नहीं पता बेटा?
Yes, ma'am. पता है.
जो हाथ जला देते हैं, ठीक है? They are sour in taste. उसका taste होता है, वो खट्टा होता है. कैसा होता है?
खट्टा
कैसा होता है?
टेस्ट
खट्टा.
खट्टा
And
मैम,
base
नींबू
are
एसिड भी रहता है.
yes, very good. And base are bitter in taste. Bitter means what is bitter? कड़वा. ठीक है? ठीक है?
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes
क्या
or no?
मैम?
अभी अगर कोई सब्सटेंसेस को हमें टेस्ट करना है कि ये सब्सटेंस एसिड है कि बेस है, तो सारी चीजें तो हम टेस्ट करके नहीं बता सकते ना कि ये एसिड या बेस है, क्योंकि बहुत सारी केमिकल्स ऐसे होते हैं जो इट इज हार्मफुल फॉर अस. सारे सब्सटेंसेस को तो हम टेस्ट नहीं कर सकते, राइट? है ना? यस और नो?
Yes.
तो
Yes,
उसके
ma'am.
लिए बना है लिटमस पेपर. तो उसके लिए बना है लिटमस पेपर. हम लिटमस पेपर उस सॉल्यूशन में डिप करके पता लगा सकते हैं कि ये एसिड है या बेस है. अगर लिटमस पेपर ब्लू में से रेड हो जाए, अगर लिटमस पेपर ब्लू में से रेड हो जाए, तो दैट मीन्स द सब्सटेंस इज एसिड. अंडरस्टूड? और अगर लिटमस पेपर रेड में से ब्लू हो जाए, तो दैट मीन्स द सब्सटेंस इज बेस. ठीक है? अंडरस्टूड? यस और नो?
यस मैम. यस.
If the litmus paper
अंडरस्टूड.
turns from blue to red, it means the substance is acid. And if the litmus paper turns from red to blue, B for blue, B for base. अगर blue हो जाए तो समझ लेना कि base है. Now, if the blue litmus paper को हम किसी substance में dip करते हैं और वो blue का blue ही रहता है, तो भी substance base होगा. और अगर रेड लिटमस पेपर हम किसी भी सब्सटेंस में डिप करते हैं और वो रेड का रेड रह जाए, तो वो सब्सटेंस एसिड होगा. ठीक है?
ओके मैम.
अंडरस्टूड? अंडरस्टूड नाउ? शुड आई एक्सप्लेन इट वंस अगेन?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am.
नो मैम. अंडरस्टूड.
So there are two
Understood.
types of substances, acid and base. And to test whether the substance is acidic or basic, we have litmus paper. There are two types of litmus paper. One is red litmus paper and another is blue litmus paper. Okay? If we dip the blue litmus paper into a substance and if it turns red, then the substance is acidic. And if we dip the red litmus paper into a substance and it turns blue, that means the substance is basic. Okay, if the blue litmus paper remains blue, then the substance is base. If the red litmus paper remains red when we dip it in something, then the substance is acid. Yes or no? Correct? Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
समझ में
Understood.
आया?
Yes, ma'am.
Can somebody explain this to me now?
Yes,
Let me.
ma'am.
Yes, come on, go ahead.
Mama, the best.
हाँ बेटा.
When blue litmus paper turned into red, it's acid, and blue
Very good.
litmus paper not turn into red and it's remain blue, it's
Hmm.
base,
Very good.
and red litmus paper turned into blue, it's base, and
Very
it
good.
does not turn into blue, it's acid.
Very good. Come on. Good job, beta. Rajani Eliasgar, explain.
Ma'am,
Is he
I can't
present in the group?
understand perfectly. Ma'am, I can't
You did not
understand
understand
perfectly.
perfect. Do you want me to
Yes, ma'am.
explain it again?
Yes.
You want? Okay. Okay. Chalo. I'll explain. See, did you understand that there are two types of substances? Acids. एसिड और बेस होता है वो समझ में आया आपको बेटा? Did you
Yes,
understand that
ma'am.
there are two substances, acid and base? Okay.
Yes. Yes.
Acids are sour in taste and base are
Bitter
कैसे
in
होते हैं?
taste.
Bitter in taste. Very good. Now we cannot taste all the substances to know whether the substance is acid or base. सारे substances को चख के हम नहीं बता सकते कि ये acid है या base है, क्योंकि बहुत सारे chemicals ऐसे हैं जो हमारे लिए harmful हो सकते, तो सारे chemicals हम मुंह में डाल के टेस्ट नहीं करेंगे ना, तो उसके लिए बना है. For that they have made a paper which is called a litmus paper. ઈ ટેસ્ટ કરવા માટે પેપર બનાવેલું છે જેને આપણે કહીએ છીએ લિટમસ પેપર. અંડરસ્ટુડ?
Yes, ma'am.
હવે લિટમસ પેપર ટુ ટાઈપ્સ ના હોય છે. There are two types of litmus paper. One is red litmus paper and other is blue litmus paper. This understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, if you take a substance, we do not know whether the lemon juice is acidic or basic. तो इसमें हमने लिया लेमन जूस, ठीक है? Okay.
ठीक है.
And
हाँ.
we dipped this red litmus paper into this lemon juice. Now this litmus paper, after dipping it into the lemon juice, for example, this is lemon juice, okay?
Okay.
If the litmus paper remains red after dipping it into the lemon juice, then the substance is acidic. We will know that the substance is acidic because litmus paper did not change color, it remained red. Understood? Yes or no? Yes or
Yes,
no,
ma'am.
beta?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Now imagine that this is the solution of baking soda. For example, we are talking about this, okay? This is the solution of baking soda. Now, if are you getting me?
Yes.
If we dip this red litmus paper into this solution of baking soda, then the litmus paper will turn from red to blue. ये ब्लू हो जाएगा लिटमस पेपर पूरा का पूरा आफ्टर डिपिंग इट
मैम
इन
अगर
बेकिंग
लेमन
सोडा.
जूस बेकिंग सोडा में डाले तो ना.
नहीं नहीं बेटा, वी आर
हेलो
जस्ट
मैम.
टेकिंग बेकिंग सोडा, सिर्फ बेकिंग सोडा वाटर में मिक्स करके लो, लेमन जूस नहीं डालना है उसमें. और लिटमस
ठीक है.
पेपर ये बेकिंग सोडा के सोल्यूशन में डिप करके देखो तो लिटमस पेपर है वो अपना कलर चेंज कर लेगा, इट विल टर्न फ्रॉम रेड टू ब्लू. ओके, तो अगर ब्लू हो जाए दैट मीन्स बेकिंग सोडा इज अ बेस. अंडरस्टूड? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am. Understand.
Now you just have to remember one thing, that if the red litmus paper turns to blue litmus paper, then the substance is base. And if the blue litmus paper turns to red litmus paper, then the substance is acid. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, can you explain now?
Ma'am, in baking soda, we added some water, so it will be a blue color, and if it become a blue color, then it will be base.
Very good. And what about lemon juice? What will happen to the litmus paper if we dip it in lemon juice?
Ma'am,
What will happen to litmus paper if we dip it in lemon juice, बेटा? रेड लिटमस पेपर को लेमन जूस में डालोगे तो क्या होगा?
ma'am, it become acid.
It will remain red, okay? Because
Yes,
lemon juice is an acid. Understood?
yes, ma'am.
Beta, mute your mics. I cannot. There is a lot of
Ma'am,
disturbance. Huh, beta?
ma'am, once revise this topic.
Your
Sorry, I
mic is
cannot hear
on.
you.
Ma'am, revise one time this topic. I
Okay, I'm revising it for you. Please mute your mics. Others, please mute your mic. Beta, mute your mics. There is a lot of disturbance going behind you. Taki, Taki, mute your mic. Can somebody tell him to mute his mic? Taki, mute your mic. How will I explain? Okay. Ready? I am giving you a quick revision now. If the red litmus paper turns to blue, who wanted revision? Please tell me your name. I'm talking to you, okay? What's your name?
Zohair Abbas.
Okay, Zohir Abbas. I'm explaining you. If you still do not understand, let
Ma'am,
me know, okay? If
litmus paper.
There are two types of substances here, acid and base. Okay, acid होते हैं, they are sour in taste, and base are bitter in taste. All right. So if we cannot taste all the substances, we need something to test whether the substance is acidic or basic. तो उसके लिए they have given us a litmus paper. Litmus paper are of two types, red litmus paper and blue litmus paper. In acidic substance, the red litmus paper will remain red if the substance is acidic, and if we dip red litmus paper into a substance and it remains red, that means the substance is acidic. Okay? Now there is some other substance, and if we dip the red litmus paper into the substance and it changes color to blue, that means the substance is basic. Understood? Now we are, if we talk about the other type of litmus paper, which is blue litmus paper, blue for base, B for blue, B for base. Okay? If the litmus paper remains blue after dipping it in a solution, that means that the substance is basic. If the blue litmus paper turns red after dipping it in a solution or a substance, then the substance is acidic because blue में से red हो गया. That's why the substance will be acidic. Understood?
Yes,
Understood,
ma'am.
beta?
Yes.
Okay. So here, what happens now? Why do I need to explain you a lot of these? Because there is an activity where you have already burnt magnesium ribbon, right? And after burning the magnesium ribbon, there were ashes all around, correct? The ashes were of different color, right? Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, ashes was of different color. So what did we do? We collected all these ashes and put it in water. We mixed it in water. After mixing it in water, now we have these ashes in water and in a glass container. Then we put a litmus paper in it, a red litmus paper inside. And what happened to the litmus paper? The litmus paper turned blue. So that means that this solution is basic. Understood? Yes or no? Understood? Should I explain it once again?
No,
What
ma'am.
did we do? हाँ मैं समझा रही हूँ, सुन लो बेटा. What did we do? हमने मैग्नीशियम रिबन लिया, उसको बर्न किया तो हमें एशेस मिले थे ये सारे, है ना? We got ashes, no? एशेस थे वो डिफरेंट कलर के थे. तो हमने सारे एशेस कलेक्ट कर लिए. एशेस मतलब राख. You know what is ashes, right?
Yes, in अगरबत्ती में
हाँ,
होता है.
वो राख को हमने मिलाया पानी में. H2O is water. राख को मिला दिया पानी में. ये पानी का ग्लास है और उसमें राख हमने मिलाई हुई है, ठीक है? फिर ये पानी में जब हमने रेड लिटमस पेपर डाला तो वो ब्लू हो गया. ब्लू हो गया यानी कि ये हमारा जो पानी है वो बेसिक है, क्योंकि रेड लिटमस पेपर तो ब्लू हो गया. अंडरस्टूड?
Yes.
Okay, ma'am, understood.
हाँ, चलो जोहिर अब्बास एक्सप्लेन. यस जोहिर अब्बास एक्सप्लेन बेटा.
Yes, ma'am.
एक्सप्लेन कर दो जल्दी से. यस
Ma'am,
बेटा.
one magnesium, we got the
हम्म.
ash of different color,
हम्म. We got the ashes of different color, correct? Then
and it is H2.
we collected the ashes. हमने ये सारी ashes लेके पानी में डाल दी.
And it is red.
फिर उसमें रेड लिटमस पेपर डाल के चेक किया कि ये एसिड है या बेस है, तो रेड लिटमस पेपर ब्लू हो गया. तो ब्लू हो गया उसका मतलब क्या है? कि वो बेसिक सब्सटेंस है ना? हाँ के
Yes.
ना? चलो फिर से कर दो एक्सप्लेन जल्दी से.
Ma'am, can I explain, Muhammad Abbas?
ओके मोहम्मद अब्बास, गो अहेड बेटा.
When we take magnesium, when it's totally burned,
हम्म.
and its we collect its हम इसको क्या बोलते हैं?
ashes.
Small substance ashes
Ashes.
and put it into water and take a red litmus paper and
हम्म.
it turns into blue
हम्म.
litmus paper, so it's basic substance.
Very good बेटा. Good job. Can anybody else explain?
मैम,
हाँ जी.
अगर हम एचपीस को कलेक्ट कर ले और पानी
हम्म.
में डाले तो रेड लिथियम,
हम्म.
तो क्या
हाँ,
बनता है?
अगर हम एशेस को कलेक्ट करके पानी में डाल दे फिर उसको हम मिक्स कर लेंगे. फिर हमको चेक करना है कि ये एशेस वाला जो पानी है वो एसिडिक है या बेसिक है, हमको नहीं पता कि ये एसिडिक है कि बेसिक है, तो हम लिटमस पेपर यूज करेंगे और लिटमस पेपर को पानी में, वो एशेस वाला पानी है उसमें डिप करके देखेंगे कि ये एसिडिक है या बेसिक है। तो रेड लिटमस पेपर अगर होगा तो वो ब्लू हो जाएगा। तो ब्लू हो जाने का मतलब क्या है, ब्लू हो जाता है उसका मतलब कि हमारा जो एशेस वाला पानी है
Basic.
वो बेसिक है ना? आया समझ?
Yes, ma'am.
ओके, फिर से एक्सप्लेन कर दूं बेटा, नहीं समझ आया हो तो?
No, ma'am. Understood.
ओके चलो।
That's what.
ओके, फिर यहाँ पे दूसरी चीज क्या होती है कि हमको पता है कि सबसे पहले हमने क्या लिया था, मैग्नीशियम रिबन लिया था। फिर वो ऑक्सीजन के साथ उसने रिएक्ट किया, जब हमने उसको हीट किया था तब, ये हीट का सिंबल है, ठीक है, दिस इज द सिंबल ऑफ हीट। तो क्या बना था, मैग्नीशियम ऑक्साइड बन गया था, है ना? वो एशेस थी, ये मैग्नीशियम ऑक्साइड की एशेस थी। फिर ये मैग्नीशियम ऑक्साइड को हमने पानी में ऐड किया, H2O यानी वाटर, करेक्ट? पानी में ऐड किया तो क्या बन
Okay.
गया,
Yes.
MgOH
Okay.
ट्वाइस। अंडरस्टूड? ये सारे के सारे मिक्स हो गए, Mg और O पहले मिक्स होके MgO बन गए, फिर MgO और H2O मिक्स होके MgO2 बन गए, OH ट्वाइस बन गए, ठीक है? अंडरस्टूड?
Okay, ma'am.
ओके चलो, now let's move on to activity 6.7. Who is supposed to read? Who wants to read activity 6.7? कौन रीड कर रहा है बेटा? राजानी Aliasgar, read activity 6.7.
Ma'am, can I read more?
Okay, Mohammad Abbas, read.
Okay, ma'am. Activity 6.7 to be demonstrated by the teacher. Dissolve about a teaspoonful of copper sulfate blue
Sulfate.
sulfate. What is meaning of sulfate?
कॉपर सल्फेट भी मैग्नीशियम जैसे है ना, वैसे कॉपर सल्फेट भी एक सोल्यूशन है, वो ब्लू कलर का होता है, ऐसा दिखता है, देखो मैं बताती हूँ आपको, ऐसा दिखता है। ये कॉपर सल्फेट का सोल्यूशन है, उसका कलर ऐसा कुछ होता है, ऐसा जैसे पेंसिल है ना, पेन का कलर है ना वैसा। दिस इज द सोल्यूशन ऑफ कॉपर सल्फेट। कॉपर सल्फेट का पाउडर आता है, उसको अगर आप पानी में डालोगे तो उसका कलर ऐसा हो जाएगा। अंडरस्टूड?
Yes, ma'am.
हम्म, you have to take copper sulfate and put it in a glass of water, फिर
In about half a cup of water in a glass, tumbler or a breaker, add a few drops of diluted
dilute
sulfuric
dilute sulfuric
acid to the solution. You should get a blue colored solution. Same, same,
save
a
a small
small sample of the solution in the test tube of a small glass bottle. Drop a nail or a used shaving blade into the remaining solution. Wait for half an hour or so. Observe the color of the solution, compress it with the color of the sample solution, same saved separately. Figure 6.4.
ओके, सो व्हाट यू हैव टू डू इन दिस एक्टिविटी, कि हमें क्या करना है सबसे पहले, फर्स्ट यू हैव टू टेक few drops of copper sulfate, few सॉरी अ टीस्पून ऑफ कॉपर सल्फेट, मतलब चम्मच भर के कॉपर सल्फेट ले लो, ठीक है, एंड उसको मिक्स कर दो ऐसे बीकर में, हाफ अ कप ऑफ बीकर, हाफ अ कप ऑफ वाटर इन अ ग्लास, ठीक है, बीकर में पानी लेके उसमें मिक्स कर दो. देन यू हैव टू ऐड फ्यू ड्रॉप्स ऑफ dilute sulfuric acid. This is a type of acid, okay? You have to add a few drops of sulfuric acid and our solution will be of blue color. ये solution दिख रहा है ना, वैसे कलर का हो जाएगा हमारा solution. फिर क्या करना है, you have to take a blade and put it in the solution. ठीक है, ये solution थोड़ा सा निकालो ताकि हम कलर कंपेयर कर सके, उसके लिए थोड़ा सा solution है टेस्ट ट्यूब में ले लो. Then you have to drop a blade into this solution. You have to put the blade in this solution and you have to keep it for an hour or so. 1 या 2 घंटे के लिए ब्लेड को इस solution में रखना है, ठीक है. And then the color of the solution will turn green. हमारा solution का कलर है वो ग्रीन कलर का हो जाएगा. Why? Because ब्लेड कौन सी चीज से बनी होती है, ब्लेड, blade is made up of
Magnesium.
blade is made up of iron
Iron.
बेटा, iron, yes, Fe मतलब iron, okay, blade iron, right. and यहाँ हमारा solution है that is made up of copper sulfate. This is the formula of copper sulfate. Copper means Cu, sulfate means SO4, ठीक है. Now what happens? Why the solution turned green? Because the iron from the blade goes into the solution and copper from the solution, copper from the solution comes on the blade. That's why the blade also turns brown in color. All right, understood why the color of the solution changed to green? Because blade जो आयन था वो solution में चला गया और solution में जो copper था, solution is made up of copper sulfate, right? That went on the blade. Understood? That's why the blade turned brown. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, what happened? I'm again explaining you the activity once more. The solution is, which color should we take? I think we should take this color. The solution is made of copper sulfate. Okay, and the blade is made up of iron. Iron means Fe, correct? Now, what happened? The color of the solution turned to green. It became green. Why it became green? Because iron from the blade, it went into the solution, and instead of copper sulfate it became FeSO4. Iron sulfate बन गया copper sulfate की बजाय, ठीक है. Iron sulfate is green in color. Can you see here?
Yes, ma'am.
So instead of copper sulfate, the solution turned to iron sulfate, and जो copper अपने solution में था, that went on the blade, and the blade turned brown in color. Understood? Yes or no? Yes or no, beta? Hello, did you
Yes.
understood, beta? If you want, I can explain you once again, huh? Hello.
Ma'am, understood.
Okay, can you explain it?
Ma'am, sorry, Zohar Abbas.
You want me to explain Zohair Abbas, or you want to explain it?
Yes, ma'am. When we
Okay.
put the blade in copper sulfate, after 1 hour we wait, then the color changed into the green because the iron goes into the copper sulfate and that copper comes on the blade.
Very good. That's why the blade turns brown and the solution turns green.
Green.
Very good, beta. Very good. Who else will explain? Yes,
Mom,
beta.
can I, Mama? Bus?
Come on.
First, first we have to take a copper serve plate and water and and take it into a bowl of water and, and we have to wait for half an hour. Its color does not change. And now take some of it on in test tube and put it in and put a iron blade in it and wait for an half an hour or 1 hour and the what blue color substance will turn into green color. So it's and when we remove the when iron goes in it and when we remove the blade brain will turn brown color. So copper is on it on the blade.
Very good, beta. Okay. We shall end the chapter here. हम topic यहाँ पे खत्म कर रहे हैं. And then we will continue with the chapter tomorrow. Tomorrow, not tomorrow. I think we have the lecture on Friday now. So we will be doing it on Friday. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye, beta. Have a nice day.